Welcome to Spirit Rhythms. Let's do this. Let's carry on creating some rhythms of the Spirit together and trust the Lord in your life to slay your enemies with swinging and menacing arms, man. Pad. Should be relaxed. And that's your rudiments application using the up and down strokes, and you'll see you'll start flowing a bit better around the kit. Eventually we can do a session where we orchestrate those rudiments on different drums and cymbals, create grooves out of it, and apply it to the session that you're busy preparing for.